Hello everyone, welcome to Winsides.com. In this video, we will check out how to list all Windows features using command prompt and PowerShell. First, we will use command prompt. Make sure to run command prompt as administrator. This is very important. In the command prompt, enter the following command. You can find this command in this video description, and you can also check out Winsides.com and go to the relevant article to get these commands. Now the DISM tool is running and it will use Microsoft Foundation package and list all the optional features available in your Windows 11. If you are using a home version, the available features will be different, and if you are using a professional edition, it will be different. Here in this video, I am using Windows 11 Home Edition. Next, we will check out how to open Windows optional features using Windows PowerShell. Make sure to run Windows PowerShell as administrator. Enter the following command in the PowerShell. You can find this command in the video description, and you can also find this command in winsides.com. Now the PowerShell will list all the Windows features. The state indicates whether the feature is enabled or disabled in your Windows 11. Next, we will check out how to sort out all the enabled features and as well as the disabled features. To do so, enter this following command in the PowerShell. This will display all the enabled features. You can find this command in the video description, and you can also find it on winsides.com. You can also view these features using control panel. It is a GUI method. Here you can find all the Windows features, but the state is enabled, which means only the enabled Windows features are being displayed. To view the disabled features, please use the command in the description.